Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can convert any old PC to run like a new one. So without further delay, let's jump into the steps. Launch your start menu, click on settings, then go to systems, then click on this recovery. Under recovery, you will see this fix problem using Windows Update. So when you hit this reinstall button, it is going to reinstall your current version of Windows and it will keep your apps, files and settings intact. So before you begin reinstalling your Windows, please close all the programs and save your files and folders. Once done, click reinstall now. This will open up a pop-up window. It is showing, it says we will repair components and system files. If a repair solution is available, we will attempt to fix system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your apps, documents and settings will be preserved. Please make sure your PC is on and connected to the network and a power source. After installation, we will let you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. You can check this box to automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation. So let's click on OK. Under Windows updates, you can see now Windows 11 version 23 H2 repair version is being downloaded now. So wait for the complete download process. Downloading system is now installing the version 23 H2. So now I'm going to restart. Now you have successfully completed reinstallation of your Windows version 23 H2. You can now see your performance of the system have got improved a lot from the after this reinstallation. I hope you have found this video useful. Give a try and let me know in your comments. Till then, take care and bye bye.